start the software, double-click on the NTA icon and the NTA home screen will appear.
The software will automatically detect any hardware that is connected to the instrument, and the connection status will be shown at the bottom left-hand side of the home screen. If the required hardware is shown as not found, check all cable connections and verify that the instrument is powered before continuing.
To make a measurement, load a sample into the sample chamber and slide the laser module onto the microscope stage. For advice on loading samples and hardware operation, refer to the LM10 operating manual.
For multi-laser systems, select the correct laser color from the hardware drop-down menu at the top of the screen. Making a measurement is a two-step process. The first step is to optimize the image, and the second step is to select and run a measurement. Click on Start Camera to obtain an image of the sample particles. The camera level should be adjusted until all particles present within the sample can be seen. The easiest way to select an appropriate camera level is to turn the camera level up to maximum and then reduce it down until the dimmest particles are lost. Then back up one level to include all particles. At this point, the sample concentration should be assessed by eye. The NanoSight instruments can work with particle concentrations in the range of 10 to the 7 to 10 to the 9 particles per mil, which is approximately 20 to 100 particles in the field of view. The microscope controls shown here are used to adjust the image focus and the beam position on the LM10. Where present, use the alignment stickers on the LM10 to help find the correct imaging position. Ideally, the particles should appear as uniform spheres, but that can be difficult to achieve as the particles are constantly moving. If perfect focus cannot be achieved, it will have rings around the particles than for the particles to appear blurry. The microscope objective should be positioned over the circular glass window on the laser module top plate, close to the right-hand side of the window, to enable the user to find the flare spot or thumbprint through the microscope eyepieces. The optimal viewing region is just to one side of the thumbprint and in the diagram. Adjust the stage position laterally to find the optimum viewing position. The thumbprint should appear as shown in the image. Close to the thumbprint there will be a vertical line on some systems, and the optimum region for viewing particles will be just beyond this line if it is present. If the line is not present, the optimum region for viewing particles will be just past the thumbprint. The beam should fill the entire screen as shown in the right-hand image. The image on the far left is incorrect, as the thumbprint is filling half of the screen. The central image is incorrect, as the beam is filling the top half of the screen. To run a standard measurement, navigate to the SOP tab and then select Standard Measurement from the drop-down menu. If changes to the default number and length of video captures is required, values can be adjusted here. To adjust the solvent viscosity or to add a dilution factor, select the Advanced button and enter the values required. Choose a name and location for the captured video files. To start the measurement, click on Create and Run Script. Add sample details if required, and then click OK. The software will prompt for final image adjustments to be made. When finished, click OK and the software will begin recording the videos. Manually advance the sample between videos when prompted to do so by the software. Once the sample stops moving, click OK to begin recording videos. When the videos have finished recording, the software will prompt for analysis settings. The detection threshold setting determines the minimum grayscale value of any particle image necessary for it to qualify as a particle and to be included in tracking for analysis. Adjust the detection threshold by clicking on the plus and minus buttons until each particle crosses the center. Try to keep blue crosses to a minimum as these signify noise. Click OK to start processing. Once processing is finished, select the required files and click Export.
Right-click on the graph for further display options.